video, I will show you the plain stitch. This stitch begins with a knot at the end of your thread. Next, to begin the stitch, I will take my needle and hold it vertically across the seam. Next, moving right to left, keeping my stitches anywhere from 3/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch distance apart. I will continue to skim the back of the fabric with the tip of the needle, grabbing only 2 to 3 threads each time, alternating from one side of the fabric to the next, my needle facing the same direction each time. This stitch is hidden between 2 layers of fabric such as the hem. When you fold the hem up to the desired length and pin in place, you will fold back the top of the hem about 1/4 inch to hide the stitch between the layers of the fabric. Here I have pins holding this back to keep the depth of the stitch from the top of the hem consistent. The goal here is to catch the surface of the back side of the fabric so it does not show on the face side when you flip it over. In this case, I have fusible interfacing that I can catch the back of. If you are working without interfacing, depending on the density of the fabric, you will need to catch fewer threads for finer fabrics and a maximum of 3 threads for dense, thick fabric. Continue to make this simple stitch the length of your hem and tie off with a small back stitch. One tip is to keep the stitch length on the smaller side. This is to ensure that your foot does not catch the hem as you pull on the garment. Another tip is to keep the stitch taut, not tight. If you pull too tight, it will cause the fabric to dimple on the face of the fabric. Keep a gentle hand in mind as you make the stitches. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and make sure to share the video with a friend. Until next time, my name is Audra, and I'll see you in the next video.